How's everybody doing today? Hey, my name's Don from Super Blast Power Washing. I'm going to show you how our setup is. Very simple. We have a tank of chlorine here, which we go ahead and get it out of our valve right here. Fill up this bucket with chlorine. Okay. Here's your downstream injector right here, which is hooked to this piece of PVC piping to keep it straight so it goes into the bucket. Okay. You start your power washer, and then you use a soap tip, which will allow enough friction, enough pressure to get this chlorine from the bucket into the line. And then when you change to your full power tip, it'll stop feeding the chlorine. So when you switch tips to rinse, it quits injecting chlorine. And when you want to inject the chlorine, you just put the soap tip on. That works great that way. Very simple operation. Just hook the water up. It's as simple as pie, just like that. I always keep it in a bucket of water because it'll corrode on you if you don't. Then we have a bug sprayer with straight chlorine in it for tougher mold stains that need a little bit of extra encouragement to get off. Then we have a 4,000 psi Pressure Pro. Water's coming out of there because I just got done using it. Then we have a hose reel setup. We have a garden hose which feeds to the power washer. This goes to the house for water supply, and then we have 200 feet of power hose, which I'm extended all the way out 200 feet today. Got a back behind that fence over there, there's a pool deck, just got done doing it. Anyway, it's a pretty simple operation. You got a couple gas cans over here. I keep about 7 gallons of gas with me. I got my toolbox with all my fittings and stuff. You always want some extra fittings and supplies. And you want your seals, packages of seals, and tools to change out stuff when you need to. You need a ladder in case somebody wants to get their gutters clean, and if you got a push broom for standing water, and some driveways don't drain well. Anyway, and you got a regular 5-foot wand. You have a Hammerhead 18-inch surface cleaner, which works really great. Then we have an 8-foot extension wand for high up places to get. That'll add an extra story on. I can get a 3-story building with that. Hold it up over your head and you're not that far from there, from the top. Anyway, I am Don from Super Blast Power Washing. And if you're going to get in business power washing, like I say, make it simple, make it easy, get a routine. And it's so easy, it's not even funny. Alrighty, have a great day.